To enable Google Analytics segments, start by logging into your Google Analytics account and navigating to the Reports section. Segments are a powerful tool that allows you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users, helping you to better understand their behavior and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. First, select the view for which you want to enable segments. This can be done by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top of the page and choosing the desired view. Then, click on the Reporting tab and select the type of report you want to analyze, such as audience or behavior. Next, click on the plus icon next to the Segments drop-down menu, located above the report table. This will open the Segment Builder, where you can create new segments or apply existing ones. Google Analytics provides a range of predefined segments, including demographics, technology, and behavior. You can also create custom segments based on specific criteria, such as location, language, or traffic source. To create a custom segment, click on the New Segment button and define the conditions that users must meet to be included in the segment. For example, you can create a segment for users who have visited a specific page, or for users who have completed a particular goal. You can also use regular expressions to create more complex conditions. Once you have defined your segment, click the Apply button to apply it to your report. You can apply multiple segments to a single report, allowing you to compare and contrast different groups of users. You can also save your segments for future use, making it easy to reuse them across different reports and analyses. Best practices for using segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. You should also use segments in conjunction with other Google Analytics tools, such as goals and events, to gain a more comprehensive understanding of your users' behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics segments and gain valuable insights into your users' behavior.